In this video, I'm going to walk you through the materials prep for Lesson 6 of Unit P1 from OpenSciEd. Okay, so first of all, you will have a few copies to make. Let me scroll up real quick. There are two readings. The first is the changing fields. This is a handout that students will read about changing fields, and they will actually do some modeling. And there are different scenarios they can model. And then after we do that, we're going to read the article Models of Electrons. And this is going to lead us into a simulation where we will need to complete this handout right here, the wire simulation investigation. So each of these that are linked will need a handout per person. There's also a moment where students will evaluate each other's or their partners' models that they created from this article right here. So here is a rubric for modeling to help students give feedback to one another about their models. All right, so those are the big handouts. And let's look into the materials prep. So you will need to test this simulation link. Make sure it opens and works in your classroom. You could do this in front of the class if you don't have devices for everybody. I'm really not sure what this is used for right here. It requires a battery and a coil of wire and some tape. I couldn't find it, but maybe you can. This right here is real life investigations. This is at the end where we kind of test what we saw in the simulation. Here are some images of what it looks like. If you do not have an ammeter, then you can construct your own, and there's directions here, but I will tell you an ammeter purchased works really well. And so don't bother making one if you have one, which most physics teachers do. And so this is what it looks like. You're going to have two surge protectors from your electric city. You're going to have some light bulbs that will light up with the battery source as your power source. And then you'll see that there's a place where you can change different length of wires or different temperature wires. So this is going to test the real life scenarios that you saw in the simulation. So this is good to get pre-set up, do it as a demo in front of the whole class, and it will hopefully not take too much time if it's already prepped. All right, good luck with this lesson.